Hey guys, I'm Alan with Peaceful Patios. Today we're going to be installing a modern fiberglass louvered pergola. We're going to go from taking the pieces out of the crate to see what that looks like all the way to the finished product. One thing I want to point out today is that we're going to use an anchor system that does not show up in the instructions. We're installing a larger pergola today, so this is our heavy duty anchor, and the way this works is that we actually have 4 concrete anchors that go into each of these holes here, and this will provide additional stability for larger pergolas. You can also add this if you're just concerned about stability in general, so please ask about it if you want a quote for it. Okay, so the first thing we do after finding the correct location and drilling the holes for the anchor is we're going to start putting up the columns. We're going to leave the pieces wrapped as long as we can to avoid any scratches or other damage to the parts.
Come on up. Come on. Good. Hold on right there.
So it's very important for the stability of the overall pergola to have the base of the column resting uniformly on flat concrete. If you use stamped concrete, you're going to want to leave the space smooth for this. If you use pavers or stone, you're going to want to use footings instead. You do not want to anchor or rest the column directly to pavers, stone, or stamped concrete. It needs to be flat.